Hello everyone, it's Brianna from the CCI Help Desk. We wanted to let you know of some upcoming changes that are taking place that will affect the way you sign into Office programs such as Outlook, Excel, Word, and OneDrive. In the near future, CCI will be implementing multi-factor authentication. You may already be using this for things like your bank account, your personal email, or for paying your bills. These changes are being implemented because they enhance the overall security of our network, allowing us to avoid issues like ransomware or other bad actors. You will have three options to choose from: the Microsoft Authenticator app installed on your cell phone, a phone call to your Office phone, or a text or phone call to another phone number such as your cell phone. First, open a browser on your computer and go to portal.office.com. Sign into your Office 365 for Business account. Click Set It Up Now. You will be prompted to select your option for verification. For the Microsoft Authenticator application. On the Additional Security Verification page, select Mobile App from the Step 1 How Should We Contact You area. Make sure Receive Notifications for Verification is selected. Click Set Up. You will need to download the app on your cell phone using the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. Open the App Store or Play Store and search for Microsoft Authenticator. Select Install. You should see a window on your computer that looks like this. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. Tap the plus symbol in the top right corner. Then Work or School account. Use your phone to scan the QR code that is on your computer screen. iPhone users may have to enable the camera and settings in order to scan. If you can't use your phone camera, you'll have to manually enter the 9-digit code and the URL. Your account will be added automatically to the app and will display a 6-digit code. Switch back to your computer and click Done. Now wait for the Checking Activation Status text to finish configuring your phone. When it's complete, you'll be able to click the Contact Me button on the right. If configuration fails, just delete and retry the previous steps again. Switch back to your phone and you'll see a notification for a new sign-in. Go to the Microsoft Authenticator app. Tap Approve to allow it. Back on your computer, follow any prompts that you might see, such as adding a mobile number. And you're good to go. From now on, whenever you have a new sign-in or add your Microsoft 365 work or school account to an app, you'll open the Authenticator app on your phone and tap Approve. Setting up text or a phone call to another phone number such as your cell phone or a number without an extension. On the Additional Security Verification page, select Authentication Phone from the Step 1 How Should We Contact You area. Select your country or region from the drop-down list. Type your phone number. Select either a code by text or a phone call for verification. In Step 2, you'll receive either a code by text for you to enter or a phone call from Microsoft asking you to press the pound sign on your phone to verify your identity. Copy the app password from the Step 3 Keep Using Your Existing Applications area and store it somewhere safe. Select Done. Setting up Office Phone Verification. On the Additional Security Verification page, select Office Phone from the Step 1 How Should We Contact You area. Select your country or region from the drop-down list. Type your phone number and then type your extension if you have one. In Step 2, you'll receive a phone call from Microsoft asking you to press the pound sign on your Office phone to verify your identity. Copy the app password from Step 3, keep using your existing applications area, and store it somewhere safe. Select Done. Once it has been enabled for your account, you may need to sign back into Microsoft Office. Sign back into Office. Approve on the mobile app, by phone call, or by entering the code received by text message. And you're done. If you have any issues, please call us at the CCI Help Desk at 615-928-2438.